If you already have a Walmart account, signing in through the Walmart app is quick and easy. Here's how to log in so you can start shopping right away. First, unlock your phone and open the Walmart app. On the home screen, look toward the bottom and you'll see a Sign In button. Tap on it. Next, you'll be asked to enter either your email address or phone number that's linked to your Walmart account. Make sure you type it exactly as you used when creating your account. Once entered, tap Continue. At this point, Walmart will give you a couple of sign-in options. You can enter your password to log in immediately. Or you can choose Email Me, a verification code. If you select this, Walmart will send a one-time code to your email. Enter that code into the app to sign in. Once your login details are confirmed, you'll be signed in and taken straight to your account, where you can start browsing, shopping, or checking your orders. And that's all there is to it. Now you know how to quickly log in to your Walmart account from the app, so you can shop whenever and wherever you like.